Hey guys, so Irisys people counting at the Sprint World headquarters, which is now one of T-Mobile's headquarters in Kansas City, there was an installation to count the number of people going into the main building, the 6200 building. And these were the plans for it prior to the installation. This is actually it installed and working today, and it counts the number of people inside the facility. So, you get the readings on a regular basis. So right now, actually, there's 22 people inside of that facility. And if you go to the chart view, you can actually see the number of people over the course of, let's say, a day. So yesterday, the total occupancy in the building was 57. And then at 3:51, or let's say 3:44 in the morning, it went from 8 literally down to 0. So good possibility the cleaning crew was in there and then they left. And then, coming back in, you can see it starts to ramp up. But this is an installation that took place of the Irisys people counter. And let's take a look also just at the installation of it. So you can see how it was installed. So above the door, and then you have some that are coming down with a drop on a pole. It's very important. The positioning of these in the installation is very important. So that's pretty much it.